Ow! Oh my God. Yeah, I just had a branch hit me. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! 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 Look at, oh! 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 I don't know what's going on, but we are getting hit by something extremely powerful. There are cars pausing. They cannot, this is undrivable. This is undrivable. You're not getting anywhere through this. We got stuff flooding here. I don't think this is safe for us. We might have to go. Oh my God. Wow. Extremely severe winds here in Windsor, Ontario. This is insane. We got flash flooding, and I can't go back out